Hi everyone, this is Edelit Langkay from SMDC. I've been working here for almost 12 years. You can trusted me. And this is my valid ID. My position is Associate Sales Director, Manager. So nag-handle din ako ng mga tao under me. Meron din akong mga marketing partner all over the world na nagpa-accredit na rin. So, meron kaming mga after service guys kung gusto mong parentahan yung unit nyo or tirhan nyo, and pwede ko rin kayong turuan sa Airbnb kung paano magpatakbo. By the way, sa mga project ni SMDC, we have many choices from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Sa Mindanao, we have at CDO, Davao, and sa Visayas naman, we have at Iloilo and Bacolod. Sa mga taga dyan, pwede rin kayong mag-purchase kay SMDC. And sa Metro Manila, marami kaming mga project dyan. Kasi dyan nag-umpisa si SMDC. From Paranaque area, Cainta area, Makati area, Pasay, Tagaytay, Quezon City, Tarlac, Batangas. May mga project si SMDC. And meron kaming mid-rise, low-rise, high-rise, and affordable payment scheme na pwede nating pag-usapan. Kung hindi nyo afford yung Makati, meron kaming Paranaque. Kung hindi nyo afford yung Paranaque, meron kaming Quezon City. So, maraming options. So, feel free lang to ask me guys and yung team namin under Team ERL, and we will answer and we'll give you the best deal that we can give you. Thanks for watching, and also follow nyo rin ako sa aking YouTube channel na Ed's Realty Guide PH. Para mapanood nyo guys yung mga vlogs ko sa mga clients and after service. Ayun lang guys. Thank you.